Human resource planning is the continuous process of systematic planning ahead to achieve optimum use of the organization's most valuable asset, quality employees. So, human resource planning ensures the best fit between employees and the jobs while avoiding a manpower shortages or surpluses. So, there are four keys. Steps to the HRP process. The key includes analyzing present labor supply, forecasting labor demand, balancing projected labor demand with the supply, and supporting organizational goals. HRP is an important investment for any business as it allows companies to remain both productive and profitable. So the human resource planning is a strategy used by a company to maintain a steady stream of skilled employees while avoiding employee shortages or surpluses. So having a good HRP strategy in a place can mean productivity and profitability for a company. So human resource planning is the process that identifies the current and future human resources need for the organization to achieve its goals. So human resource planning should serve as a link between human resource management and the overall strategic plan of the organizations. Next is importance of the human resource planning. Importance of the human resource planning. It assessing the future personnel needs, whether it is surplus labor or labor shortage. It gives a picture of defective planning or absence of planning in an organization. And a number of organizations, especially public sector units in India, are facing the problem of surplus labor. So it is the results of the surplus labor that the companies later on offer schemes like voluntary retirement schemes, VRS, to eliminate surplus staff. So thus it is better to plan well about employees in advance. So through HRP, one can ensure the employment of proper number of the type of personnel, and it is the foundation for the other HRM functions. Like HRP is the first step in all the HRM functions. So HRP provides the essential information needed for the other HRM functions like recruitment, selection, training, development, promotions, etc. And it also coping with the changes, like changes in the business environment like competition, technology, government guidelines, global market, etc. Bring changes in the nature of the job. This means changes in the demand of personal content of job qualification and experience needed. So HRP helps the organization in adjusting to new changes. It also acts as like an investment perspective. As a result of a change in the mindsets of the management, investment in a human resources is viewed as a better concept in the long run success of the enterprise. Human assets can increase in a value as opposed to physical assets. So thus HRP is considered important for the proper planning of the future employees. It also helps in expansion and diversification plans. Like during the expansion and diversification drives, more employees at various levels are needed. So through the proper HRP, an organization come to know about the exact requirement of the personnel in future plans. Employee turnover. Every organization suffers from the small turnover of the labor, sometimes or the other. So this is high among young graduates in the private sector. This necessitates again doing manpower planning for the further recruiting and hiring. International expansion strategies of an organization depend upon the HRP under International Human Resource Management. So HRP becomes more challenging. So an organization may want to fill the foreign subsidiaries key positions from its home country employees, or from host country, or from a third country. So all these demands are very effective for HRP. And having a highly talented manpower inventory, like due to changing business environment, jobs have become more challenging, and there is an increasing need for dynamic and ambitious employees to fill the position. So efficient HRP is needed for attracting and retaining well qualified, highly skilled and talented employees.